Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to use star codes in Roblox, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser. From here, go to roblox.com. Now click on the Roblox icon and click on Buy Robux. From here, choose the amount that you want. After that, click on the link beside Add a Star Code. Now type in or paste your star code here. In order to get star codes, open another tab and search Roblox star codes. Then go to the link as shown here. If you scroll down, you can see a lot of star codes available. Scroll through and select the one that you want. After that, copy it. Now go to the previous page and paste it. Now just click on Add. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.